Greetings! So, an announcement before I make an announcement. We are phasing out of our Facebook group because it's very inactive and nobody's really talking on there because nobody can see the notifications because Facebook is not posting notifications. So, alternatively, I have started a Discord channel to chat about beading and life things and other crafts and such. And it's a very wholesome group that really looks out for each other, and it's just a wonderful, warm, fuzzy feeling that we can all enjoy, especially during these times when social interaction is very rare these days. So, if you would like to join our Discord group, there is a link in the description box below. It's the very first link that says Join Discord. And if you are hesitant to join new technology, that's totally understandable. The link will show you how to make an account, and when you finally join, there is a section that says how to use Discord. I've created a small tutorial on how to interact with that, so feel free to check that out. And now for our regularly scheduled content. Alright, so last month on Patreon, we learned how to make these earrings. And for our next adventure, we are going to learn to make the bezel of this entire set. The bezel is a very cute, sparkly pumpkin technique. You don't even have to make the entire set. This thing in this lovely simple chain will be just as adorable. So if you want to learn this tutorial, come and join me on Patreon for $1 a month, patreon.com/odins.musings. The next chapter and the final chapter of the saga will be doing the rest of the chain, so stick around until October, where you will have a lovely spooky piece for the entire Halloween season. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there.